Hi guys, it's Holly. I don't even know if you got the hi guys on there. I got a new phone. I've been kind of AWOL. Things have been going on. I really won't get into it. But I'm hoping to have more stuff going on soon. There won't be many, if all, at all subscription boxes anymore because I canceled my subscriptions. It's just become a vast array of clutter that I don't want. And yeah, I'm laying in my bed right now. I'm in my pajamas and see a box over there. And no makeup, no nothing, and some weird cleavage. Yeah. Anywho, I need you guys to help me because I have got stuff that I want to do for a giveaway. Help me to get to 500 subscribers, and I have a collection of stuff that I've been wanting to do for a giveaway, but I've just not been really keeping up with my YouTube, and I want to, so I challenge you. Yeah, help me get to 500 for a big giveaway, my first giveaway. So that is all. I think I should probably, if I knew how to speak, it would be great. But I think I'm going to do a vlog tomorrow where we've got some stuff planned, and might be fun, might be interesting, maybe not, I don't know. So just stay tuned to see what I've got coming up for you. Bye.